When I was a kid, the TV show that I hated the most was called Dora the Explorer. Alright, my mom made me watch it because she thought it was educational. Yeah, she never watched the show. Because the two things I learned from Dora the Explorer was rage and anger. From this crop top, melon head Mexican child! Because she would just walk up to the screen and ask me, hey, where's the red barn? And I'm like, Dora, it's right there. And then she would act all confused like I just spoke a different language. And I'm like getting irritated with this girl now. Has the audacity to ask where? And I'm like, behind you, Dora! And then she's looking all confused again, and then she goes ask for Matt's help. And I'm like, we don't need to talk to Matt, it's right behind you, Dora! Just turn around, and then she's lost now, and I can't deal with it.